Here he comes. Where do you think you're going? Go back in your mat. Uh-oh. Where you going? Raiden, where are you going, honey? Shh! No, don't go there. Uh-oh. Raiden! He's trying to go to the kitchen. Guess it's time to buy a gate. Ah! Hey! Raiden! 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 No!